Imagine a bedroom where the rich history of ancient Egypt meets rustic, timeless luxury. These unique spaces combine the raw, earthen textures of the desert with the opulent, grand designs reminiscent of Egyptian royalty. Whether it's the warmth of natural stone and wood or the glow of ambient lighting reflecting off gold accents, these bedroom styles capture the essence of a desert oasis that speaks of both serenity and splendor. Each design tells a story, evoking a sense of timelessness that transports you to the heart of Egypt, where the sands of time blend seamlessly with the luxury of regal living. Get ready to be inspired by 5 distinct designs that embody the perfect blend of rustic charm and timeless Egyptian elegance. Pharaonic opulence is where Egyptian royalty meets timeless luxury. This design takes cues from the grand palaces of ancient pharaohs, offering a bedroom that feels both majestic and serene. Imagine towering stone columns framing a grand 4-poster bed draped in flowing silk. The bed itself is a masterpiece with intricate golden embellishments that gleam in the soft light of flickering oil lamps. Dark wood furnishings anchor the room, while deep jewel tones like royal purple and crimson add depth and richness. The beauty of this style lies in the details. Carved hieroglyphics adorn the walls, telling stories of ancient power and wisdom. Rich velvet textiles provide a plush, luxurious feel, while golden accents throughout the space elevate the room to royal status. Large windows allow for natural light to flood the room during the day, while soft amber lighting creates a warm, inviting glow in the evening. Pharaonic opulence embraces symmetry with perfectly aligned furniture and decor that evoke a sense of order and grandeur. Tall stone pillars, reminiscent of ancient temples, add an architectural element that makes the space feel monumental. A rich color palette of gold, purple, and deep red enhances the regal atmosphere, while soft rugs and plush cushions add comfort without compromising on luxury. This design is all about creating a space that feels like a retreat for royalty. It's not just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary where every detail has been carefully considered to reflect wealth, power, and history. The textures of silk, velvet, and dark wood are balanced with the shimmer of gold, creating a tactile experience that is as inviting as it is opulent. Lighting plays a key role in setting the mood. During the day, the room bathes in natural light, with the gold accents catching the sunlight and creating a warm, glowing effect. At night, soft, ambient lighting from oil lamps and candles casts a gentle, flickering glow, adding an air of mystery and romance to the space. Golden Sands Oasis captures the essence of the Egyptian desert with a touch of rustic luxury. Imagine a bedroom bathed in soft, golden light, where the colors of the desert sands are reflected in every element of the design. The warm, earthy tones of beige, gold, and sandy neutrals dominate the space, creating a calm and serene environment that feels like a peaceful retreat from the world. This design embraces the natural beauty of the desert with woven textures and organic materials playing a central role. The bed is simple yet elegant, with a rustic wooden frame adorned with soft, flowing linens and golden hues. The walls are smooth earthen toned stone, offering a cool contrast to the warmth of the textiles and the glow of the lighting. Golden Sands Oasis is all about comfort and simplicity, yet it never sacrifices style. The furniture is minimal but crafted with precision, often featuring carved wood or woven rattan that adds a touch of traditional Egyptian craftsmanship. The color palette is inspired by the desert itself, with soft sandy hues and subtle gold accents that bring warmth and light into the space. Natural light plays a key role in this design, with large windows or open spaces allowing the sunlight to flood in, casting soft shadows across the room. In the evening, the room takes on a new life as the warm glow of ambient lighting creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The textures in this room are tactile and inviting. Soft woven rugs, lightweight linens, and rustic wooden furniture invite you to sink into the comfort of the space. The overall feeling is one of relaxation and tranquility, as though you're in an oasis hidden away in the vast desert, where time stands still and luxury is found in the simplicity of nature. Temple-inspired grandeur brings the majesty of ancient Egyptian temples into your bedroom, creating a space that is as awe-inspiring as it is luxurious. This style is all about bold, grand elements that evoke the power and mystery of Egypt's ancient architecture. Imagine a bedroom with towering stone walls, grand wooden furniture, and rich textiles that drape elegantly across the room. The design here is both regal and rustic, with a focus on natural materials like stone, wood, and linen. The bed is a statement piece, often framed with dark carved wood and luxurious fabrics in deep reds, golds, and purples. The walls are adorned with intricate carvings or artwork that reflect the ancient culture, adding a historical element that makes the space feel timeless. Temple-inspired grandeur is about creating a sense of scale and drama. Large stone pillars frame the room, giving it a monumental feel, while rich textures like velvet, silk, and carved wood add layers of luxury. The color palette is bold, with deep jewel tones that evoke royalty and opulence, balanced by warm golden lighting that casts a soft glow over the room. The architecture in this design is key to its grandeur. Symmetry and order play a large role, with every piece of furniture and decor perfectly aligned to create a sense of balance and harmony. The textures, too, are rich and varied, with smooth stone surfaces contrasting against soft velvets and silks. Lighting in temple-inspired grandeur is warm and atmospheric, with soft flickering light from candles or sconces casting shadows across the room. The overall mood is one of mystery and power, as though you've stepped into a space that has existed for centuries, untouched by time. Ancient artisan craftsmanship celebrates the skill and artistry of ancient Egyptian artisans, bringing a rustic, handcrafted feel to the bedroom. This style focuses on the beauty of natural materials and the intricate details that only come from true craftsmanship. Every piece in the room feels unique, from the carved stone walls to the hand-woven textiles that add a touch of rustic charm. The bed in this style is often the focal point, made from rich wood with intricate carvings that reflect the artistry of ancient Egypt. The color palette is warm and earthy, with tones of terracotta, beige, and deep brown creating a grounding, natural atmosphere. The walls might be adorned with hand-carved hieroglyphics or murals that tell stories of ancient life, adding a cultural element that makes the space feel timeless. Furniture in ancient artisan craftsmanship is minimal but carefully selected. Every piece feels like a work of art, with carved details and natural textures that add depth and character to the room. The use of stone, wood, and woven materials creates a tactile experience that feels both luxurious and grounded in tradition. The lighting in this design is soft and natural, with large windows allowing sunlight to flood the room during the day. In the evening, warm ambient lighting creates a cozy, intimate atmosphere, highlighting the rich textures and details of the room. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of handcrafted materials and want to bring a sense of history and culture into their home. It's a design that celebrates the past while creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and luxurious. Desert Night Retreat is a design that captures the magic of an Egyptian desert evening. This bedroom style combines the rustic beauty of the desert with the luxury of a cozy, intimate retreat. The color palette is inspired by the warm earth tones of the desert, with soft beige, deep browns, and golden hues creating a soothing, calming atmosphere. The bed is the centerpiece of the room, often adorned with soft linens and woven blankets that invite you to sink into comfort. The furniture is simple but elegant, with smooth wooden textures and stone accents that reflect the natural beauty of the desert landscape. The overall mood is one of relaxation and tranquility, as though you're nestled in a luxurious retreat far from the world. Lighting plays a key role in creating the perfect desert night ambience. Soft, warm lighting from candles or lamps casts a gentle glow over the room, mimicking the light of the setting sun. The use of natural light during the day allows the earthy tones of the room to shine, while the evening lighting creates a cozy, intimate space perfect for unwinding. The textures in this design are rustic and tactile, with woven fabrics, smooth stone, and rich wood creating a layered, luxurious feel. Every element of the room is designed to evoke the feeling of a peaceful desert retreat, where the stresses of the day melt away. Desert Night Retreat is perfect for those who want to create a bedroom that feels like an escape into nature. It's a design that combines the raw beauty of the desert with the comfort and luxury of a modern retreat, creating a space that feels both grounded and luxurious. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time.